In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to open, edit and save any PDF document in a Windows PC for absolutely free of cost. So normally when you need to open and edit a PDF document, what we do is on a Windows PC, get onto Google and we do a search for an extra software like maybe Adobe Reader or any other softwares that are available for absolutely free. Our main intention is to not pay a subscription and get the work done. The drawback about whatever softwares are out there online, maybe Adobe Reader or maybe any other applications that could help you do online editing also, is that you have to pay a fee to edit the document. So for instance, if you do a search for Adobe Acrobat Reader on Google, get to the Adobe website, you are going to see that you have an option to download this for absolutely free. But the issue is that you cannot edit the PDF file using the Adobe Reader. You have to pay a fee to edit the document. Not just Adobe Reader, many other applications also cannot help you edit. And if there are any editors which is online, it is kind of difficult to edit your PDF documents. The best thing for you to do is use an online software that is going to help you not just open your PDF files, but also edit or even convert your files from PDF to other formats. So one such online software that we could utilize to not just open PDF files, but to also edit and convert it to different formats and then download it or whatever is known as Canva. So you could click on the link in my description or get onto canva.com, and once you're here, you could sign up for an absolutely free of cost account. They also have a paid plan, but you need not go for the subscription. You could use the free forever plan to edit your PDF documents or do conversions and stuff like that. Not a problem. So if you want to edit a PDF file that you have, it's very simple. Just click on create and then you type in docs out here, DOCS. Then you click on document A4 portrait. If it's a single page or a double page, not a problem. Just click on that option. Here you need to click on uploads and then click on upload files, and then whatever file you want to upload. Say you want to upload these two files, you upload it. Once uploaded, you could open the file out here, all right, and then you could edit anything, any part of the PDF file. Okay, so see, supposing you want to go ahead and add something out here, you could increase the size of the page so that it is more clear for you. So you just go ahead and just double click on that part and you could keep adding. Okay, and then once you're done with the editing, it's very simple. Click on share and then click on download, and then automatically you're going to see this in PDF because this was a PDF file. If you do not see this in PDF, if it's a JPEG file or any other files, you are going to see an option to convert that to PDF and download it in a PDF format. Okay, so ensure that this file type is in PDF and then click on download. And that's it. You're going to have an edited document which is going to be saved for you. So it is not just a PDF file that you could upload and edit, whatever type of file you have. Okay, if you want to edit the file, if there's a text out there you want to remove or add something to it, you just upload the file out here and then you convert it to a PDF file, and then again you upload that PDF file to Canva back, and then you could edit the file. This is very simple and easy. You could also download the application from Google Play or the App Store on your phone and edit files out there. But Canva works better on a PC because you get to see all the options to edit a PDF file and stuff like that. Take care, my friend.